Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and welcome to the grand finale for August Make Along. This month, we were focusing in on our cotton stashes. So I did not do particularly well for myself this month. I had a very busy month, and I ended up doing more work on the blanket projects than I was able to get done on any of the cotton projects I had planned. You know, I'd pulled out all my dishcloth cotton and everything, and I had really high hopes of working on my sweater and getting some dishcloths done. And here I am going, I only got a couple of inches done on my sweater. I didn't even hit the goal, the stretch goal for the last 2 weeks of at least finishing the sleeve. So it is what it is. This is supposed to be about trying and being aware of what we have in our stashes. And I feel like I did at least meet that goal. Pippin has some things to say about that. So anyway, let's crack on and see what you guys got done for the month. Alrighty, you guys. Well, thank you so much once again to all of you who participated. Please keep in mind, y'all can jump in on any of these at any time during the year you want. The goal isn't necessarily always to finish things. It's to work in our stash and look in our stash and go through our works in progress and things. This isn't always about, I must finish or I must complete. These should be fun tasks, and it should be interesting for us to be working into these. So for the month of September, our goal is to work on scrap projects, whether it be scraps that we've made in the first 8 months of this year or scraps that we've just been building up. So I love you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day, and I cannot wait to see what all of you make for the month of September. Bye, guys.